Go kokoangwa ga lekgetho la kgwedi ya Ngwanaitseele le Sedimonthole go tokafetse morago ga kwelotlase e neng ya itemogelwa mo dikgweding tse di mmalwa. Baitseanape ba re le fa go setse go le thari go ka be go nnile ditlamorago tse di itumedisang tsa kokoano ya lekgetho ka kakaretso. Lekgetho la dikompone lona le ntse le le kwa tlase. Puso e tla tshwanela ke go oketsa dipoelo le go fokotsa lekgetho la dikompone e le go dira gore ditheo di kgone go dira dipeeletso.
The reason being is that businesses weren't operating, and we've also seen a considerable loss in employment. So you're losing not only a lot of pay as you earn, you're losing a lot of consumption. So a lot of those people will stop spending because they do not have jobs. And a lot of businesses have stopped spending purely because they need to keep reserves. So you'll see a lot more less VAT, you'll see a lot more less customs, so everything will be down, and that's probably why.
Babatlisisi ba re go oketswa ga lekgetho ga go ke go siama jaaka Aforika Borwa e setse e na lekgetho le le kwa godimo. Lekgetho le le bonwang mo letsenong le fetangwe tharong ka fa go jelengwe batho bona ba tsweletse go latlhegelwa ke ditiro. Leokwane le lona le tsile go tlhatlhoswa gape.
I think for the last 4 or 5 years we've been saying that one line, that the minister has got a difficult task in his hands, and it's not different this time. But this time I think it's seriously going to be tough, because you have to try and be creative, try and be innovative, come up with ideas on how do you resuscitate the economy that has been impacted by a number of challenges.
I think this year we're going to see a diminished return on any of those sin taxes. One, people are traveling a lot less currently, so a lot less fuel is being used. So you're going to see a lot less income coming from things like fuel levies. The alcohol, and I think that the alcohol and tobacco industries have indicated that they are going to see permanent damage to this market. I think their belief and their theories are that the illegal market has now so well set itself that even when we return back to normal trade with alcohol and tobacco, that these entrenched illegal will permanently damage the legal side of those industries, and that therefore the sin taxes on those are still going to take a while before they in fact recover in the medium term.
Babatlisisi ba gateletse ntlha ya gore SARS e tshwanetse go gagamatsa dikgato go ka fitlhelela dipoelo tse di ka tlisetsang naga dibilione tsa diranta.